Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today is gonna be a little bit more of a vlog, but it's just gonna be me. I was thinking of doing like a little solo diaries type of video. The reason why I'm doing like a solo diaries is low-key because I'm forced to. My current situation is basically I have finished uni or finished my bachelor's degree, so I've moved back home, but all of my friends are either still at uni in another country or yeah, basically they just live in other countries. So like none of my friends are here right now, so I'm kind of forced to be alone. But that means either I can sit at home, be bored, be mad that no one's here, or I can learn to love it and learn to have fun just with myself for the meantime. And that's what I want to choose to do. And I'm thinking, when you make plans to see friends, you always make some sort of a plan and say like, oh, you know, I've seen this, we should totally go there, or we should do this, blah blah, whatever. And I think that's kind of like the way to think even when planning a day just with yourself. Plan like activities. Think like, what is fun? Is there something happening that you've seen? Go and do that by yourself. You don't have to always do it with friends. The key here is to plan your day the same way you would if you were with friends. On Pinterest, there's so many boards with like things to do when you're alone, and there's stuff like going on a hike, going on a picnic, reading a book, going to a cafe. Really go on a date with yourself. Go to a restaurant and eat with yourself. But yeah, definitely check out like on Pinterest. They have so many lists of all the things you can do alone. I even have a video that I made about 50 things to do when you're bored, and a lot of those things are things that you can do alone. Some I mention like friends, but most of them are stuff that like you could just do alone. So definitely make sure to check that out. But yeah, like I said, this is just gonna be a vloggy vlog of my day, spending time with myself. This morning I actually started out by doing like a little 5-minute morning stretch just to like wake up a little bit. And I really felt like my body needed like a stretch, girl. First activity we should do is go make some matcha. Let's go. You guys, I think I really mastered the matcha. This is an iced matcha latte. I love it so much. Look at the color, how beautiful. And it's so easy to make. And the recipe I did, like obviously you can tailor it to your preferences. You don't have to use, for example, I only had regular milk at home right now, but I think it tastes so good with oat milk. And then also, if you don't want to use honey, you can use, for example, vanilla extract, or if it's like you know, like vanilla but in a powder. I don't know what it's called right now, but yeah, there's lots of different ways to make it. I think this is like such a good drink for summer. And matcha has so many benefits, plus it has some caffeine in it too, because it's based on green tea, so like it gives you energy, but not in the same way that coffee does. Apparently with coffee you get like energy directly, but then you get like a big dip, whilst matcha is like more gradually, it will go back down. So it's like, it's healthier, so we love that. Let me actually go take a picture of this because this is beautiful, so I can like put it on my Instagram story or something. Follow me if you don't already. I'm like so ready to go right now. I haven't even talk about where I'm going, but we're going to the city. We're going to a cafe. Actually, I don't even know which cafe I'm going. I feel like I've saved some stuff on TikTok to maybe find a little new cafe that I haven't been to yet. That would be fun. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. You know what? I'll figure that out on my own, but let's go to the city and do that. Also gonna run some errands whilst I'm at it. Maybe go to, I think, Sephora. But yeah, you'll see all of that. This is the outfit of the day. Quite simple but cute. My top is from Cider. Jeans are thrifted but monkey. Belt, I have no idea. Shoes are vintage. And then this bag, I just stole it from my mom. Yay! I think I might add a little pair of sunglasses on top of my head too. Wow, it is hot in the car right now, but let me just show you real quick. I went to Sephora to get some stuff. I literally don't even think I filmed in there, but let me give you a little Sephora haul. Either way, I actually ended up getting stuff only from like the brand Sephora. So I saw on TikTok, I was looking for, I want like a bronzer, because I've never really used bronzers before. So I saw on TikTok that apparently Sephora's own brand has some, and they're apparently pretty good. So I got this one. As you can see, it's like a stick. It says that it gives you a tan effect and anti-dullness, so we love that. And I got it in the shade 2. And then I also got a blush from Sephora, and I've been, once again on TikTok, I saw that red blushes like look so good, so I was like, I have to get one. So this is basically a red blush, and it's once again from the Sephora brand. It's in the color 29 Fascinated. So I'm so excited to try both of these products. And then I also got some new brushes because it was time. I haven't gotten new brushes in years, I think. So I got these two. One is for blush and one is for bronzer. So the blush one is number 4, as you can see, and this one is number 6. So I just got these 4 things. I'm like so warm right now. I need to turn the car on, turn the AC on, turn the music on, and get back home. I will see you at home. We're back home. I'm actually so curious in seeing how these look on my face, so I'm actually just gonna try them on right now. And I know I already did my makeup this morning, so putting makeup on after you already have makeup is like not really the way to go. I'm gonna do it anyways. I don't really know where I want to put this. Whoa. And then some here. Whoa. I mean, this is bronzer, so like it's not really supposed to be used contour. It's just supposed to warm up the face, but we're gonna try anyways. Like I said, I've literally never used bronzer before or contour or anything like that, so the nose kind of slays though. When I tried it on in the store, like just on my hand, it blended out so quickly and so easily, but I don't know how it's gonna work with a brush. Definitely bronzing up the face, right? I don't even know if like this is the correct technique. I'm literally just going for it. I feel like for the forehead, it looks really good. It makes me look a little tanned. On the cheeks, I don't know though. It looks a little dirty. I feel like it might look better after some blush. But I think for my nose, I probably need a smaller brush. I don't know. I'm like not a makeup artist, so yeah, I'm just putting that out there. Oh my god, there's even a little mirror. That's cute. The bronzer, I should have probably put it on my hand and then from there gone with the brush, and I don't know. Whoa, my gosh, there's so much pigment in this. I feel like on camera you really cannot see what's going on here, but just know that this is pigmented. This is giving a little sun-kissed vibes. This is so cute. Okay, I think everything looks better now that there's blush on. Cute. Approved. I'm bringing out the computer again. You might be like, you literally just sat at a cafe on your computer. What are you doing? Well, I want to make a Canva. I love Canva. Let me know if you use Canva. I want to try and write down a little routine that I can get into, because I at the moment feel like I have absolutely no routine. I'm hashtag in my lazy girl era. I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit lost, a little bit confused, I'm not gonna lie. So I feel like if I have a little routine set up, I will feel better. So that's what we're gonna do right now. But I like find it so difficult because the situation is I have just finished uni. I'm getting my bachelor's degree. Well, actually I'm waiting for my thesis to get approved and like stuff, but I had the graduation already, so technically I'm graduated. And right now I'm not like doing anything. Technically I guess I have summer holidays, you could call it. So I'm like, what do I do with my life? So every day has kind of been like, I wake up and I stay in bed and I'm like, well, what do I do now? So I've been making a few videos. I've been more active on YouTube and social media, that's for sure. But I don't really have like a set routine, and I feel like the procrastination is maxed out. It's whoa, so bad. So let me actually get a little bit inspired by Pinterest, because once again they just have lists of so many good things all the time. So what if I search daily routine schedule is what's coming up. Whoa, that is a routine. That girl morning routine: wake up, open the windows, drink a glass of water, journal, make bed, 5-minute stretching, breakfast time. Wait, this is only until they all say get work done, but I have editing videos, that's about it. Wait, okay, what about this one? I really think I'm about to enter my self-care era. If I really start having a routine, I'm gonna be like waking up, doing a little stretch, doing some journaling, staying hydrated, making teas or matchas or like stuff like that, skincare, reading. Oh my gosh, I want to get back into reading. I literally I have not read for so long, and honestly it's because like the book that I'm reading I'm not loving, and I'm not the type of person that will like, if I don't like something in books though, if I don't like a book I'm just gonna stop reading. Like I'm not like that. I'm like forcing myself to get to the end, and sometimes it works out and I'm like, oh, after a while it actually got so good. But for this book, like, ooh, yeah, it's not, I don't know, it's not working for me. So hopefully I'm gonna try and finish that book so I can get started on a new one. Let me actually show you a book that I recently got. So I got this book for my birthday. It's called Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton. I don't know. And I've both seen this book on TikTok, and my roomie, or she's not my roomie anymore, but she recommended it. And on TikTok it was like people were putting this in videos where they're saying like, oh, books you need to read in your 20s. And since my roommate said that it was like so good, I was like, I want it. So I got that, and I think this is the book that I want to read after I finish my other one, because it just looks, I mean, it sounds good, and like 20s, I'm in my 20s, can't wait to get to that. Anyways, some of these routines are like, they sound kind of crazy, but I feel like technically I could do them right now because I have so much time, so much free time. I know that if I want to actually make a habit and make it stick, like I gotta go slow, step by step, take it easy. Oh, I should definitely get back into my 5-minute journal. I should also low-key start working out. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna I'm gonna think a little bit and I'll get back to you when I have my routine. This is what it's looking like so far. I do still think it needs like decoration and stuff, but like we have a little routine. It's a start. It is now low-key already late. Like, where did the time go today? But I need to walk my dog, and I was thinking that might as well go on a little longer walk today to get our body moving, because I really feel like that's something that my body really needs at the moment, is like I just need to be moving more. And I'm also gonna see if my brother wants to come with me, or I'm gonna force him to come with me actually. Let's go.
Let's take a trip to Sunset Bay Cafe, my love, our love. I feel a way to get away today, no rush. We ain't gotta leave the phone on, yeah. Let's be young and do what lovers do. If I'm being honest, truthfully honest, bad days seem better with you, yeah. Heaven can't wait, then it's view, yeah. Ready to dive in your pool.
We are once again back in my room. Finished the little walk. Ended up being like an hour long, but it felt so good. Just walking and fresh air and the sun being out. We love that. That kind of like brings us to the end of the video. I don't really think I'm going to be doing much more today, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked watching, and also don't forget that at the end of the day, if you're friends with yourself, that's really all you need. Because of course you can have friends, but friends come and go, and you'll definitely find yourself at times feeling like at some point nobody's there. But if you can learn to love yourself and love being with yourself, then that's already such a big step to take, and so good for you. But of course, if you feel like right now maybe you don't have any friends or anything like that, I definitely want you to challenge yourself and try and make new friends. It's always good to have someone to talk to, you know? Anyways, I will leave you guys on that note and see you in another video. Bye!